Australia. And she's our face of the game. She's wondering what to do. I have a suggestion. Smile. And if you want, smile and wave some more. Galing niya sumunod, ano? Kasi sabi ng director, sige, wave. Pa-wave mo. Pa-wave mo.
And if you want, give me pizza, pwede rin. Give us.
Yeah. Tagal ko na sinasabi. Wala rin. But we're happy for her to be joining us here today. This is a lively game, no question about it. Here comes Serafica. Arsan taking care of snapping that over, and I think that might be in. Yes! First big lead of the Navy. 2 points. I'm not exaggerating.
Yes!
I'm not exaggerating. 17-15. Here comes Janet Serafica. Long! Oh, it just sailed down. It was, oh no, it's not Serafica. It's actually...
No,
it looked like Serafica actually. Akala ko yung dating sakit ni Janet na lalabas eh. Sumalok eh. Suddenly, Ines Mamilares has something to talk about.
Yeah, but kasi si Joanna nandiyan na makisa na mag-break sa sa'yo dito. Abot si Joanna, saban na rin. Kasi ikaw kung kapag yung wala yung mahila, yung si Winnie.
Kaintindihan. Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Infotech, Business Ad, yan ang mga courses na pwede niyong kunin sa FEU Makati. Tawagan lang ang 836-2002 o bisitahin ang website. Tagalogin nga natin. Paano tinatagalog yan?
Wow.
Pio? Edo Pe. Sagwa! Ang sagwa. Magbabalik sa kami ng FEU. Huwag mo lang nga kami pinaplug. But that's a great place to study for if you haven't gotten around to finishing your degree or starting it.
Oh, yes.
Harasan keeps it in the air. The battle is in the middle, Mosi.
Yup.
It's in the middle, actually.
Ang dami talaga battle at the net. Harasan on the open hit. Too long.
You know what I like about the Navy? They're finding strength from each other here. They're holding on to each other. No, and this is, you might just say it's a game, but you know the competitive spirit is just letting them compete here today.
And now you can see na mas enjoy sila in this set.
Because they're ahead in fact.
Light moment.
There's Serafica. Harasan said, ikaw na. You know what was going to happen. You knew it.
Yes.
You knew it.
She had a good approach, good fight, and the result.
She's a delightful snabera if you think about it. Diba? She's such a nice person, but let's listen to the Navy first.
Ano mo pa yung kamay mo? Kasi diagonal lang talaga ang bola niyan. Kasi maganda yung blocking natin. Diagonal, nilitan mo yung blocking. Pistuhan mo agad. Huwag ka na magdalawang isip. Talaga yung ano mo dito. Lock mo. Tatakbog lang yan. Okay, isa maganda receive. Atake tayo. Konsyento ka. Jane, ipa-check out mo dahil. Maybe!
Look at this. This was Angelique Tabaca. I love it when she loads up and, you know, we remember when she was the baby, when she was the rookie, when Rachel Andakis was already the star, and Wendy Simana as well, but she was one of the young upstarts.
And people love her when she plays because she's always smiling, but she's really so powerful.
Pero pag in the game, siya gritty. Siya gusto ko sa pag snabera siya eh. Ano nangyari? I went to FEU.
Baliktad sa sinabi kanina ni Coach Nene. Sabi kasi ni Coach Nene, abangan nyo si Ange Tabacero dahil lagi namang cross court. Diba? And suddenly, Ange gives them a down-the-line hit.
Natinig ko yun. Ewan ko.
Ay, ano ba yan? May speakerphone ba?
Ang ingay ni Seb kasi. Oy! In the meantime, FEU gathers together 2 straight points. That was a time. Sino ba tumawag ng timeout? Si Navy,
si Coach Nene.
Pero mukhang nakapitalize. And anyway, Navy still now has to serve.
Well, Philippine Navy 8 attack points so far and 3 service aces. FEU having 10 attack points and an ace. Giselle Z, kanina bang ginagawa? No band-aid remedy coming from the Philippine Navy.
You sneaky, sneaky girl.
Yeah, yung pinte, siguro mga 3 or more points na ang nagagawa ni Giselle C.
Sabi ni John Carpio, reset!
Ayan na naman.
There's no other way to put it. Fortuna. Nice stretch that time.
Baniel with a dive.
Yeah. Si Rafica trying her own version. Patrona. Labortes wise to it. This is one of the longest exchanges. The second one, actually. Takbo.
Giselle C.
Walang hesitation. Palo.
Oh, Patrona, very strong, but dug up by Laborte. Arasan into the net, Sim.
There are points in a game or things you do you want to take back. You want to, kung pwede ko lang ulitin, no? But you know, it's gone. Damage done. Live on. Move
Just
on.
that one moment kasi, di ba? Yung sa set ng bola. Oh, but Ange Tabaquero getting an error on the serve.
It's never a nice feeling.
Yung service.
Service error. It's a rotten feeling.
Oh,
What did you
tit
say?
for that.
What did you say?
Arasan also with an error.
Oh boy, these are crucial errors happening at a critical part of the set.
True.
21-20 FPU. Serafica set up for Susan and she nailed it.
Smartly, Susan with the push.
In the meantime, Tutanes steps in for Tabaquero. Most likely Tutanes will be there for the service duties.
For defense din.
More importantly, actually, you're right.
And si Serafica, ako, tingin ko, kay Tutanes to dedicated. O,
Oh, yung galing sa bench. Eh. Tama yan.
Galing.
Oh.
Kapapasok lang eh. Oh, but Patrona not making that open hit.
Look at the swagger of the veteran. Didn't make it. So, what are you gonna do about it?
Babawi ako isa.
Bawi ako. Bigay mo sa akin ulit. Now, if you're a smart setter, doon mo ibibigay.
Yes.
Kasi yung mga magagaling, ayaw nangyayari sa
Oh,
Yep.
That's going to be a
Yes.
lifting violation.
Kita-kita eh. Spin ng bola, no? We're gonna step into a timeout here. It's 23-21.
Di ba? Pas lang gano'n, basta nagkasawa din ang pinili ng butin. Dapat na hindi eh. Hindi pabayaan mo siya umover, hindi naman mababa ang bola eh, di ba? So, over na sa net. Ibayaan mo lang siya, kunyari arbiter siya, bitawan.
Hindi ako marunong na spelling. In the Shakey's V-League, I have seen every conceivable name of a woman. From Rachel Ann to Angelique.
To Honey Roy.
Honey Royce. Stabina. Net ba? Patrona. Di ba? Ang galing ni Giselle C. Ha? Uy, out ba? Out.
Yeah, it's really out, but they were asking for a check. They don't get it. So set point for the Philippines.
Axel is our official outfitter for the V-League. Boy, Navy.
Oh,
Nice, Janet. Nice, Janet.
sabi niya, teka, parang exciting. Sanay na sanay sa mga exciting games si Janet eh.
Ang problema kasi sa setter, you have to rush to your position. Diba? You get rid of the serve, you rush to your position.
Acuna. Sino yan?
Si SMA.
Ayo.
I have to pronounce it correctly. Ah! So near and yet so far.
Yeah.
In the meantime, Galido stepping in for Jennifer Arasan. Boy, set
This is
point.
for defense.
And this is a generation that came from the side-out generation. Wow!
And what a way to end set. Natawa naman dun si Coach Ness. Sabi niya, ang tagal kasi.
Baby, I'm a fireworks. I'm dead here in the water. But we have a shaky shake and play. It's been a lively second set. The Navy refusing to just die in the water. Very appropriate for them. They are alive and well.